So they also sent me this spray. Sodium chloride 0.9%. So I need to do this every hour. Though hindi na ako ina-advise na mag-alarm pa while I'm sleeping. Pero kapag gising ako, dapat every hour nag-spray ako nito. So let's do this. So part of the care package would be this shampoo. Very, very mild daw to. You have to get like a small container with water, then maybe 2 pumps of this shampoo. Let it bubble, and then ibubuhos lang siya sa ulo ko, no? So hindi siya i-rub or anything. An hour passed, 'di ba? So I need to reapply this. I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, para moist daw yung scalp natin, especially the hair transplanted part na.